How to access TikTok Shop. Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to access the TikTok Shop on TikTok. This is an easy tutorial, so please keep on watching. First, go to the TikTok app and go to your profile page. If your profile still doesn't have access to TikTok Shop or you haven't been invited to it, then what you're gonna do here is to click on the three horizontal lines. Here, click on Settings and Privacy. Navigate to Report a Problem and click on it. Basically, what we're doing is accessing the TikTok Help Center. Just scroll down and click on Chat with Us. It will then take you to the page where you can type in your concern. Type in TikTok app option is not showing up on my account. I cannot access it, so please fix it for me as soon as possible. Then, wait for its response. It usually replies after a few seconds, so just wait for it to solve your problem. Here, tap on How to access TikTok Shop. And that's it! You have now successfully learned how to access your TikTok Shop on TikTok. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!